Tucked into a quiet residential neighborhood near the station in Maebashi, Japan, this house immediately stands out, not because it dominates the street, but because it quietly reshapes how a home can hold family life. Designed by HAGISO, the project revolves around a simple yet powerful idea: creating an envelope that brings together architecture, time, and the everyday rhythms of a family of 7. Instead of treating the house as a static object, it's conceived as something more fluid, almost like a protective layer that wraps around both people and moments. At the heart of the design is a central courtyard, enclosed by gently curved exterior walls that form a continuous boundary around the home. This gesture isn't just aesthetic, it responds directly to the environment, shielding the interior from the dry seasonal winds common in this region of Japan. But beyond protection, the courtyard becomes a spatial anchor, allowing natural light and air to filter through the house throughout the day. It creates a sense of openness while still maintaining a strong sense of enclosure, balancing exposure and privacy in a very controlled way. Inside this protective envelope sits what the architects call the arena, a large, open, almost gymnasium-like space that serves as the core of daily life. For a family with 5 children, flexibility becomes essential, and this space is designed to adapt constantly, whether it's play, gathering, or simply moving through the day. Instead of dividing the house into rigid rooms, the design allows activities to overlap and evolve, creating a shared environment where family interactions happen naturally and continuously. But what's especially interesting is how the project deals with the challenge of living together while still maintaining personal space. The private rooms are intentionally compact, just over 5 square meters each, and use sliding glass doors combined with curtains to adjust privacy and acoustics. Meanwhile, subtle shifts in floor and ceiling heights, along with carefully planned circulation paths, help define different zones within the larger open space. It's not about separating people completely, but about creating a comfortable distance that can expand or contract depending on the moment. Structurally, the house reinforces this idea of openness through its construction. The arena is supported by long-span wooden trusses and covered by a thin, semi-vaulted roof that curves gently overhead, giving the interior a sense of lightness despite its scale. This roof isn't just a visual feature, it allows the space to remain column-free and adaptable, while also shaping how light enters and moves across the interior. In the end, the house feels less like a collection of rooms, and more like a single, continuous environment, one that grows and shifts along with the lives inside it.